Hi, and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at getting set up quick and easy with ClassCalc in your classroom. Teachers are able to use ClassCalc on any device with a browser, such as laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. Students are able to use ClassCalc on iOS, most Android phones, tablets, iPads, and Chromebooks. To start, teachers download the ClassCalc app or access the web app. The links to the web app, App Store, and Google Play Store are in the comments below. To get started on the Teacher web app, click Sign Up on the top left-hand corner. Select Teacher and either continue with your school email or sign up with Google. We recommend signing up with Google if your school uses Google emails. Next, ask your students to download the ClassCalc app on their phones or tablets and sign up. The sign-up process is the same as the teacher sign-up, except for students select Student when prompted by the pop-up. Before starting test mode with your students, you will need to create a virtual classroom so that ClassCalc knows who you want to start test mode with. To create a classroom, select the Teacher panel, click the Add Classroom button, and name your class. Once you've created your virtual classroom, you can give your students the unique 6-digit class code. Once a virtual classroom is created and your students have joined, it will be automatically saved and can be reused, edited, or deleted at a later stage. If your students are using Chromebooks, please see the Getting Started with Chromebooks tutorial in the description below. Otherwise, you can continue here. On a student's mobile device, you can join a teacher's virtual classroom by clicking on the user icon on the top left-hand corner and selecting Join a Class. Click the plus button and type in the 6-digit code provided by your teacher. To start a test on the Teacher's web app, the teacher goes to the Teacher panel, selects a class and clicks Start a Test. This will send every student in the class that invitation to join test mode. When a student joins test mode lockdown, they will not have access to anything on their device. No other apps like Instagram, Photomath, Facebook, no calls, no text, and no internet, only ClassCalc searches. To join test mode on iOS, click Join Test on the invitation and accept iOS app self-lock. During test mode, students will have a red bar at the top of their devices, which is reflected as a green circle on the teacher's test panel. During test mode, the home button and sleep button are locked, as well as all notifications and calls. For students with Android devices, follow the test invite instructions on the pop-up. Joining test mode on Android can be different for different devices, but it's a quick process the first time, and even quicker after that, since Android will remember the settings. First, click Settings on the pop-up and turn on the Do Not Disturb function for ClassCalc. Click the back button to return to ClassCalc. Next, enable Pin mode by accepting the pop-up. Lastly, click Accessibility Settings and turn on ClassCalc. Click Join Session, which will pause your background apps so they do not disturb you during test mode. The apps remain unchanged after test mode. Once completed, ClassCalc will automatically launch into test mode. A student can exit test mode by selecting Exit Test on the top left-hand corner. Once this button is confirmed, the teacher will be immediately notified that that student has left the test. You can now see that that student has left the test, indicated by the red circle. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.